The Browning High Power is one of the most influential pistols ever made. Designed in the early 1930s, it was the final firearm project associated with John Moses Browning. The High Power was revolutionary for its time. It popularized a high-capacity 9mm magazine, holding 13 rounds when most pistols carried far fewer. It was adopted by over 50 countries worldwide, used by both Allied and Axis forces during World War II. Its design influenced countless modern pistols, including many that came decades later. Even today, it's respected for its balance and ergonomics. The High Power didn't just make history, it shaped it.